How to submit sales reports in the Vendor Report Management System.
Welcome to the Operational Services Division's overview of sales reporting in the Vendor Report Management System, also known as VRM. If you are an awarded Massachusetts Statewide Contract vendor, VRM is your one-stop place to submit quarterly sales reports, report diverse expenditures, and manage administration fee payments. In this video, we'll walk through how to choose the right reporting method, how to enter or upload sales data, how to submit a $0 report, how to add diverse expenditures, how to avoid common errors, and where to find help and resources. This video is organized into chapters, so you may return to this section you need at any time.
Choosing your sales reporting method.
There are 3 ways to complete your quarterly sales reporting in VRM. First, you can enter sales manually. This is the recommended option when you have 20 sales transactions or fewer. Second, you can upload sales data using the Contract Sales Reporting template. This is usually the best option when you have a larger number of transactions. Third, if you had no statewide contract sales during the reporting period, you still need to submit a $0 sales report.
Manually entering sales data.
To begin, sign in to VRM and go to your dashboard. Find the report with the status pending submission, then open that report to continue. If you have no more than 20 sales entries, manual entry is usually the fastest method. From the sales report, select View Add Sales Details. Then, on the Report Details tab, select Add Record manually. The Add Detail Record window will open. Enter the required information for your first sales record. When you save a record, you'll see 3 options: Save, Save and New Copy Details, or Save and New Blank. If you are entering several similar sales records, Save and New Copy Details can save time. One of the most important fields in VRM is the purchasing entity name. After you save a record, VRM may alert you if the name needs review. If the system updates the name to one the Commonwealth recognizes, review it carefully. If it is correct, select Resave. If it is not correct, enter a better purchasing entity name or request an exception. Use clear, specific organization names such as a department, municipality, school district, or sheriff's office. Avoid generic labels and acronyms like Commonwealth of MA, DPW, Executive Department, or School. Also, do not include individual names, addresses, or phone numbers. After you've entered and saved your final sales record, return to the sales report. If you need to report diverse expenditures for the Supplier Diversity Program, you'll do that next. If you do not have diverse expenditures to report, select Submit Report, complete the required fields on the submission window, acknowledge the checkboxes, and submit the report. VRM will display a confirmation message when the report is submitted successfully.
Uploading sales data.
If you have more than 20 sales entries, uploading a sales template is usually the better option. This process has 4 parts: download the template, complete it correctly, review any issues, and transfer the data into VRM. From the sales report, select View Add Sales Details. On the Report Details tab, select Upload Sales Data. Then, select Download Data Template. Your contract template may include a cover sheet with instructions, a data sheet for entering your sales, and sometimes an accepted values sheet. Do not change worksheet names, column names, or formatting in the file. Use the Download It template exactly as provided. Before you upload, here are a few best practices that can save time. Download a fresh template each quarter. Save it to your computer before editing. Do not change worksheet or column names. Do not change date or number formatting. When pasting data, use paste values. Double-check your calculations and make sure your purchasing entity names are specific and clearly identified. After you complete the template, return to VRM. In the Upload Data File section, select Choose File. Locate the completed template and upload it. During the upload process, VRM checks two things. Step 2 checks the structure of the file. If you get an error here, the file structure was changed. In many cases, the easiest fix is to download a fresh template and move your data into the original file format. Step 3 checks the data itself. That includes accepted values, date formats, and math. If issues are found, you can download an error report to review them. The most common issues are usually the purchasing entity name and the unit of measure. Remember, unit of measure describes how an item is measured, such as per item, per pound, per job, or per contract. It is not the same as quantity. Fix all errors, review all alerts carefully before you proceed. At the end of the upload process, choose whether to append or clear. If the uploaded file contains all of your quarterly sales records, select Clear. If you are adding another file to records already uploaded this quarter, select Append. Then, select Transfer Data to complete the upload. VRM will display a confirmation message when the import is completed.
Submitting a $0 sales report.
If you had no statewide contract sales during the quarter, you are still required to submit a sales report. Open the report in Pending Submission Status. On this Sales Report tab, select Submit Report. Complete the requested information, check the acknowledgement boxes, and submit. After you confirm, VRM will show a submission message. Your sales reporting requirement for that quarter is complete. And remember, you may still need to report diverse expenditures, even if your sales for the quarter were 0.
Adding diverse expenditures for your Supplier Diversity Program SDP commitment.
Most statewide contract vendors are also required to report spending with certified diverse businesses as part of their Supplier Diversity Program commitment. From the Sales Report Information window, select View Add Diverse Expenditures. Then select Get Diverse Firm from Database. Search for the business using a tax ID, name, or other search criteria. Tax ID is usually the best option. When you find the correct business, select it and enter the expenditure details for the reporting period. Then, save your entry. If you cannot find the business right away, first, broaden your search before trying to add a new vendor. Only add a new vendor if you are confident you have accurate information and the business truly is not already in the system. If VRM shows a duplicate warning or similar match, stop and review carefully before creating a new record. If needed, request an exception and include supporting certification details.
Returned and past due reports.
If a sales report is returned, you can review the comments, make the needed updates, save your changes, and resubmit the report. Returned and past due reports are both visible from the dashboard, so it is important to review report statuses regularly. If a report becomes past due, access may be locked. In that case, select Request Extension to send a request to your category manager, or contact your category manager directly to request help unlocking the report.
Sales reporting best practices.
Here are a few best practices to help you avoid delays. Check Vendor Web to confirm you have all invoices for the quarter. Keep your VRM contact information up to date. Use clear, specific purchasing entity names. Avoid acronyms and vague entries. Do not include personal names, addresses, or phone numbers. And if you need technical help, contact the OSD Help Desk.
Submitting administration fees.
Vendors also use VRM to manage administration fee payments. After your quarterly sales report is accepted, VRM sends an email letting you know the invoice is available. Find the outstanding invoice on your dashboard and select Pay Invoice. VRM will take you to the secure end-court payment system, where you can pay by ACH debit or by credit or debit card. A convenience fee applies to card payments. While your payment is processing, the invoice status will display as pending. In some cases, an administration fee deferral or adjustment may be appropriate. For example, a deferral may apply when payment from the buyer has not yet been received. An adjustment may apply when a prompt payment discount reduces the amount actually paid to the vendor. These requests are submitted through VRM and reviewed by OSD. For step-by-step instructions, refer to the job aid on deferral and adjustment requests.
Vendor report management resources.
OSD offers several resources to help vendors complete quarterly reporting. Visit mass.gov/OSD, then go to Sell to the State and Resources for awarded statewide contract vendors. You'll find vendor report management FAQs, job aids, administration fee FAQs, and additional VRM resources in the Resource Center after you log in. If you have technical questions, contact the OSD Help Desk. For contract-specific reporting questions, contact your category manager. Thanks for watching.